and you feel the need to love it all since it was me. Still no wrong, I just sang a song, but it's me I'll never say, and it's you I'll never say. When you need to grow, what you don't see, and it's lost with that, don't see a good day. Still no wrong, I just sang a song, but it's me I'll never say, and it's you I'll never say. Kill it with a knife, kill it with a knife, kill it with a knife, you kill it with that knife, kill it with a knife, kill it with a knife, kill it with a knife. Lost the line and you feel the need to love it lost and say it was me. Still no wrong.
Hey YouTube fam, welcome back. It's taken me like 5 videos, 5 trips to get a snook. I know it's hard times, rough times out here, but going back out, going with the ladies, Mila and my wife, and let's get some trophy snook, some backcountry stuff going on. Thanks for watching, and yeah, there you go. You hear that? Tremendo movimiento en el mar. It's amazing. All right, we'll be back. Thanks for watching Fishing Blackwater Sound. I am. My babies. Have a good one, my babies. They're playing. Yep. Yep. We'll be back at Trout Creek. Beautiful sighting right there. See how we do. We'll be back with hopefully a fish. That was him. Nice hit. Nice hit. Throw it back out. Throw it back out. They're coming, man. They're coming. That was a nice fish. Tip down. Damn, that's a monster. That's a... Keep your rod tip down. Keep your rod tip down. Pull up and reel on the way down if you can. Mila, keep him on. What? How did that even happen? Nice job, babe. She caught a baby snook. Hold on, babe. Hold on, babe. Hold on. Oh, he already got me. He already got me. There he is, guys. Baby snook caught by my wife. Beautiful fish. Here, babe. Hold him in the mouth. Hold him hard. Hold him hard. Let's catch him, look. Sweet. Go ahead and let it. Beautiful baby snook caught by my wife. Nice kiss, man. Alright, let's let him go. Right there, nice, babe. Nice job. There you go. What do you got? The tree? Yep. Yep. Yeah, you caught a baby snook. Benny did good.
Yo no puedo comer el baby snook.
No.
Sería algo por comer. El que estaba